Creating a sketch in Fusion 360. We're going to start with coming up here and making sure you're in the design workspace. We move over to the right and we have create sketch. We click on this tool. In the beginning, it'll show us three different planes from the origin. Typically, we want to choose this plane here in the upper right. All you have to do is pick on the plane and it automatically adjusts to that plane. So here we have our X going this way and our Y going this way. It'll automatically bring up the sketch palette. And over here in the sketch palette, this will be here while you sketch, but we can automatically change our line types. So by clicking this button, I can make the line types that I'm drawing construction lines, or I can create center lines. The looked at rotates the camera, so we're looking at it directly at the active sketch. The sketch grid shows or hides our grid work, our grid paper. Our snap is by default off, and this allows us to snap to the sketch grid. Slice is by default off. It temporarily cuts through a body where it intersects with our sketch plane. We can show the profile, so it actually, when we go to close our sketch profiles, it turns blue. That's kind of handy. We want to show our points. These are our points at the end of our lines, for example, which is good. We also want to show the dimensions, and we could hide them if we want. We want to show the constraints. We could hide them if it's unchecked. And we want to show any projected geometry. And we could also enable sketching in 3D, which is off by default. Now, typically we would just draw something. I'm just going to draw a 2-point rectangle. I'm going to start here and place one corner. I'm going to come up here and place another corner. And it's thinking. And so it places it in the sketch, this rectangle. And you can see that rectangle is now placed in there. And now I'm going to come up here and, oh, there we go. We're finished now, finally. I don't know why it's taking so long. Maybe my slow internet. But it fills it in with blue when our profile is closed. So we want to go up when we're done, is go to finish sketch, and that will create a sketch here. You can see over here in my browser, I have sketches. I click down and I have sketch 1 here. So this is how we get started with creating our first sketch in Fusion 360.